Hello, my name is John Parsons, and today I will be presenting about the power of food choices. What if I told you that you could take daily action to help prevent deforestation, habitat loss, mass extinction, pollution, ocean destruction, and climate change? Well, you can, simply by changing your diet. This is because animal agriculture causes all of these problems. So by reducing or eliminating meat and dairy from our diets, we can have a very positive impact on our planet. Animal agriculture is a key driver of climate change. According to the book, Eat for the Planet, greenhouse gas emissions from animal agriculture are higher than from any other industry. A recent study from Stanford and Berkeley discusses how reducing our reliance on animal agriculture will buy us time while we switch to renewables. This is because we will be reducing our emissions and rewilding lands that can absorb a lot of CO2. One of the main reasons why phasing out animal agriculture is such a powerful way to fight climate change is because animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation. Trees are one of our best defenses against climate change because they absorb so much CO2. 2,000 trees are cut down every minute to deforestation, and 80% of this is caused by cattle production. We are replacing trees, which are a huge carbon sink, with pastures full of cows that produce methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. As we clear land to make pastures for dairy and beef cows, we are also destroying habitats for many species. This leads to loss of biodiversity and species extinction. Of the 28,000 species threatened with extinction, animal agriculture is listed as a threat to 24,000 of them. Animal agriculture is also a major source of environmental pollution. This is from the waste the animals produce as well as from the fertilizers we use to grow enough food for the animals we eat. Livestock in the U.S. produces 396 tons of excrement every day. This pollutes our air and water. Pollution from factory farms is linked to 1,000 deaths per year. Factory farms are shielded from clean air laws. Sometimes, waste from animal agriculture is sprayed into the air, causing air pollution. This usually happens in low-income minority communities who live near these factory farms. This is a social justice issue, as people can't enjoy their property. Animal agriculture destroys our oceans. Fertilizer and pesticides from animal agriculture runs off into the ocean, causing dead zones. Overloading our waterways with nutrients leads to eutrophication. This takes oxygen out of the water and suffocates marine life. Animal agriculture contributes to world hunger. Many people wrongly assume that producing more animal products would help combat world hunger, but this is not the case. Sadly, most food gets fed to animals that rich people eat. 40% of the world's grain is fed to livestock, while 1 billion people go to bed hungry every night. Sadly, the US government spends up to $38 billion each year to subsidize the meat and dairy industry. Our tax dollars are therefore contributing to all these problems I have discussed. Fortunately, you do not need to rely on our leaders to do the right thing. You can take individual action starting today. A recent Oxford study found that a plant-based diet is the single biggest way to reduce one's impact on the planet. Thank you guys for listening to my presentation.